Welcome to Learning English with Jennifer and Levent. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Levent. So glad you joined us.
Good morning, Levent.
Good morning, Jennifer. Did you wake up early today?
Yes, I woke up at 7 o'clock. What about you?
Me too. And that's today's topic, daily routines.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Jennifer and Levent.
Today, we will learn how to talk about your daily activities.
What you do every morning, afternoon, and evening.
This is very useful. You can tell people about your day.
Let's start.
Activity number 1, wake up.
Wake up means to open your eyes in the morning and get out of bed.
Say, wake up.
Wake up.
For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I wake up at 6:30.
Activity number 2, eat breakfast.
Breakfast is the first meal of the day in the morning.
Repeat, eat breakfast.
Eat breakfast.
For example, I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock.
I eat breakfast at 7:30. Activity number 3, go to work.
Go to work means to travel to your job.
If you're a student, you say go to school.
Repeat. Go to work.
Go to work.
For example, I go to work at 9 o'clock.
I go to school at 8 o'clock.
Activity number 4, eat lunch.
Lunch is the meal in the middle of the day.
Repeat, eat lunch.
Eat lunch.
For example, I eat lunch at 12 o'clock.
I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. Activity number 5, come home.
Come home means to return to your house.
Repeat, come home.
Come home.
For example, I come home at 6 o'clock.
I come home at 5:30. Activity number 6, eat dinner.
Dinner is the evening meal.
Repeat. Eat dinner.
Eat dinner.
For example, I eat dinner at 7 o'clock.
I eat dinner at 8 o'clock. Activity number 7, go to bed.
Go to bed means to sleep at night.
Repeat, go to bed.
Go to bed.
For example, I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
I go to bed at 11 o'clock.
Perfect. Now you know 7 important daily activities.
Now let's learn when we do these activities.
We use these time words.
In the morning, from sunrise to 12 noon.
Repeat, in the morning.
For example, I wake up in the morning.
In the afternoon, from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
Repeat, in the afternoon. For example, I eat lunch in the afternoon. In the evening, from 6 p.m. to bedtime.
Repeat, in the evening.
For example, I eat dinner in the evening.
At night, when it's dark, usually after 9 p.m.
Repeat, at night. For example, I go to bed at night. Now let's see Jennifer's daily routine. I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I eat breakfast at 7:30 in the morning. I go to work at 9 o'clock in the morning. I eat lunch at 12 o'clock in the afternoon. I come home at 5 o'clock in the evening. I eat dinner at 7 o'clock in the evening. I go to bed at 10 o'clock at night.
That's Jennifer's complete day. Now, let's see my daily routine. I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I eat breakfast at 6:30 in the morning. I go to work at 8 o'clock in the morning. I eat lunch at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I come home at 6 o'clock in the evening. I eat dinner at 8 o'clock in the evening. I go to bed at 11 o'clock at night.
Great! Everyone has a different routine.
Now, let's see how to talk about routines in conversation.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock. What about you?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast at 7:30.
Let's repeat that conversation slowly.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock. What about you?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast at 7:30.
Did you understand? Let's practice. Now, you answer at home. Ready?
What time do you wake up?
What time do you eat breakfast?
What time do you go to work or school?
Good job. What time do you come home?
I come home at 5 o'clock.
What do you do in the evening?
I eat dinner and watch TV. What about you?
I eat dinner and read books.
That's nice. Now let's practice more questions.
What time do you eat dinner?
What time do you go to bed?
Excellent.
Let's practice. Complete these sentences.
Sentence 1. I blank up at 7 o'clock. What's the missing word?
The answer is I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Sentence 2. I eat blank in the morning. Breakfast or dinner?
The answer is I eat breakfast in the morning. Sentence 3. I blank to work at 9 o'clock. What word?
The answer is I go to work at 9 o'clock. Sentence 4. I come blank at 6 o'clock. Where?
The answer is I come home at 6 o'clock. Sentence 5. I go to blank at 10 o'clock at night. Where?
The answer is I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Perfect. Question 4. What time do you eat lunch?
Question 5. What time do you come home?
Question 6. What time do you eat dinner?
Question 7. What time do you go to bed?
Excellent practice.
Great job today.
Today, you learned about daily routines.
You learned 7 activities. Wake up, eat breakfast, go to work, eat lunch, come home, eat dinner, and go to bed.
And you learned time expressions in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and at night.
Practice talking about your routine every day.
In the next episode, we're learning about food.
What you like to eat and drink. Yummy.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And comment below. Tell us, what time do you wake up?
See you next time.
Keep learning English.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for joining. See you in the next video.